Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I have a quick phone for you guys. I will show you how to stop spam texts on your iPhone with one word. Yes, that's possible and you can actually do it fairly easily. Now on your iPhone, on the Messages app, whenever you get a text, most likely it will be from a company trying to get you to buy something, buy their products or things like that. Or in other cases, there might be scammers, but we have two different ways to deal with each of these, so I will show you guys what you need to do. First of all, if it's a company like it's trying to get you to buy something, or they are just marketing their products to you, you can actually stop those messages from those companies with one word. So you get the message, all you have to do is just respond to that number. All you have to type is stop. Just type stop and send the message. That's it. That should stop the messages from that company coming to your device. Now, if that actually doesn't work and you still receive those messages, try other words. The words are unsubscribe, quit, or cancel. If any of these words don't work, just try the other one. One of these should work and you should stop getting messages from any companies that are basically trying to sell you stuff and maybe just marketing their products to you. In other cases, when you get like a spam text from a scammer, usually if you're just a bit focused and just get a good read of the message, you will notice when it's a scam. Most likely they will try to let you open a link or something like that. Those are scammers and you should never reply to them. All you have to do is just tap on report junk. That's all you have to do. Tap on report junk. That number will be reported to your carrier and you're good to go. Hopefully in the future you won't be getting any more messages from those numbers. Again, you know, when scammers send you like text with different links, most likely the English, the grammar won't be that good. You will have all kinds of different links, maybe numbers and things like that. Don't even reply, just tap on report junk. Otherwise, when you know it's from a company where you may be registered or something like that, you're a member of something or something like that, and you get promotions all the time and you get like different discounts and things that they have on sale, you get them on your messages. Again, just try one word, stop. If it doesn't work, try unsubscribe, quit, or cancel. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure you leave a like and of course subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.